tough work. Tight deadlines. Vermeer gets it. Whether you're trenching, boring, or pile driving, you need technology, training, and toughness to get the job done right. A local service and support network that has your back. Technology designed to get the most out of your machines. Tools to move your business forward, designed to work with you, not against you. Instructor-led classes, simulation, real-world practice. Vermeer helps you get ready to take on tough challenges. Whether you're in tight spaces, difficult terrain, or harsh weather. From solar to gas, sand to rock, urban to rural. Trust Vermeer to be equipped to do more.